Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakion, your English learning channel.
Have you ever wanted to speak English every day, but you didn't know what to talk about?
Or maybe you understand English, but when someone asks you a simple question like, "How was your day?" you suddenly feel nervous.
Don't worry, that happens to many English learners.
Today, we're going to show you a natural daily English conversation.
Just two friends talking about their day.
And by listening to this conversation, you can learn how to speak English naturally in daily life.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakion, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
That's right. If you want to improve your English speaking and listening, you're in the right place.
My name is Alex.
And I'm Amy.
Today, we're just going to have a friendly conversation, like two friends meeting for coffee.
Exactly. Nothing difficult. Just simple daily English.
Because the best way to learn English is to listen to real conversations.
And maybe laugh a little too.
Yes, that always helps. So, Amy, how's your morning going today?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early today.
Really? What time?
Around 7 in the morning.
Wow, that's early for me.
I know, but I wanted to start my day slowly.
That sounds nice.
I made some coffee, sat by the window, and watched the sunrise.
That sounds peaceful.
It really was. What about you? How was your morning?
Well, my morning was a little different.
Oh? What happened?
My alarm didn't ring,
Oh no.
so I woke up late,
How late?
around 9:30.
That's not terrible.
It felt terrible to me.
Did you still have breakfast?
Yes. I quickly made some toast and coffee.
Simple breakfast.
Simple but good.
You know, Alex, I think talking about our daily activities is a great way to practice English.
I agree.
Because we all do similar things every day.
Exactly. Wake up, eat, work, relax.
And those things are easy to talk about.
For example, someone might ask, "What did you do today?"
Or, how was your day?
These are very common questions in English.
Yes, people ask them all the time.
So, Amy, what did you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I started working.
Do you work from home?
Yes, today I worked from home.
That's nice.
It is. I like working from home sometimes.
Why sometimes?
Because sometimes it feels lonely.
That makes sense.
When I work in an office, I can talk to people.
Right.
But at home, it's quiet.
Too quiet?
Sometimes.
I understand that feeling. Actually, that reminds me of something funny.
Oh, really?
Last week, I tried working from home for 2 days.
How was it?
The first day was great.
And the second day?
I talked to my plant.
I'm serious.
You talked to your plant?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said, "Good morning, little plant."
That's adorable.
Hey, plants need encouragement too.
Maybe the plant understood you.
Maybe.
Speaking of daily life, food is another great topic.
Yes, everyone loves talking about food.
So, Amy, what did you eat for lunch today?
I had a sandwich.
What kind?
A chicken sandwich.
Nice. And I also had some soup.
That sounds like a good lunch.
It was simple but tasty.
I had pasta for lunch.
Oh, I love pasta.
Me too.
What kind of pasta?
Spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Classic. So, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax.
How do you relax?
Sometimes I watch a movie.
Nice.
Sometimes I read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I usually listen to music.
What kind of music?
Mostly soft music.
Something relaxing?
Exactly. Weekends are my favorite time of the week.
Mine too.
Because we don't have work.
Yes, we can relax more.
What do you usually do on weekends? Sometimes I go for a walk in the park.
That's nice.
Sometimes I meet friends.
Do you like busy weekends or quiet weekends?
Good question.
Take your time.
I think I like quiet weekends more.
Why?
Because my weekdays are busy.
That makes sense. Last weekend, something funny happened to me.
Oh, really? Tell me.
I tried cooking a new recipe.
How did it go?
Not very well.
What happened?
I forgot to add salt.
Oh, no.
The food tasted very strange.
Did you still eat it?
Yes.
Brave.
I didn't want to waste food.
That's fair. You know, Alex, conversations like this are great for English learners.
Yes, because these are real daily topics.
Morning routines,
Food,
work.
weekend plans.
If you can talk about these things, you can speak English in many situations.
And you don't need difficult words.
Simple sentences are enough. Here's a good idea for practicing English.
What is it?
Every night, talk about your day.
That's a great idea.
You can say things like, I woke up early.
I went to work.
I had lunch with a friend.
I watched a movie.
Simple sentences like these help you practice daily English. Now we want to ask you a question.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What did you do today?
Write 2 or 3 simple sentences.
For example, I woke up early.
I went to school.
I cooked dinner.
We love reading your comments.
Well, Amy, this was a nice conversation,
Yes, it felt like 2 friends just talking.
which is exactly what English learners need.
Real conversations.
Not complicated lessons.
Just natural speaking.
And a little laughter.
That always helps.
So remember, everyone,
English becomes easier when you use it in daily life.
talk about your day.
Talk about your weekend.
Talk about simple things.
And slowly, your English will grow.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Speakion, so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English.
It's a great way to help them too. And for today's comment, please tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
Ooh, yes, I want to read the comments. Keep practicing your English every day.
And don't forget to smile.
Because a smile works in every language.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing your English.